Hello everybody! In this example we'll have a look how simple it is to provide an own SOAP web service in Axon.ivy. A possible use case could be that an external system wants to start a business process to approve an order of a customer by an employee. First we prepare our process data. We create a new order data class and we are interested in the customer, in the product and in the price of this product. We put this order data class to our process data. Especially, we want to return the identifier of the created task to the calling system. After that step, we create our business process. The input of this business process is the order. We map this parameter to our process data. This business process must be triggerable, so we can call it from a web service process. In this process, the employee gets an UI to approve the order. We quickly generate this UI. Attention, this business process is really simplified. We want to focus in this example on the web service stuff. Now we want to provide a web service interface for this business process, so we create a new web service process. The input of this web service process is the order. The remote system must send an order to this web service process. We map this parameter to the process data of this web service process. The result of this web service process is the generated task identifier. We map the task identifier from the process data to the result. Now we can trigger our business process. We pass the order data to the business process and map the generated task identifier to the process data. We are finished. Let's see how it works. We will simulate now a third-party system with a tool of our choice. To do that, I need a web service definition. As you can see, here's a new web service process, approve order service. We have here a link to our web service definition. I quickly copy this web service definition URL to my tool. And simulate a web service request. As Peter, I want to buy a bike for 1,000 Swiss francs. Now I simulate the request. And as you can see, I got a response with a generated task ID 28. I go back to the Axon.ivy designer. I can see that the web service process was called. There should be now a new task in my task list. I can resume this task and do the necessary work. As for everything in Axon.ivy, you can focus on business process instead of technical stuff.